LG Gram 16 2-in-1 lightweight laptop, Intel 13th Gen Core i7 Evo platform, Windows 11 Home, 16GB RAM, 512GB SSD, black. About this item: 13th Gen Intel Core processor, powered by Intel's 13th Gen processor and Intel Iris Xe graphics. This LG Gram is engineered to keep users multitasking with ease. You can accomplish those intensive daily demands from crunching numbers to editing a masterpiece with processor power that won't slow you down. 5200 MHz LPDDR5 RAM. Stay in the zone with 5200 MHz of lightning-quick memory you need to perform at your very best during both work and play. 16-inch WQXGA non-reflective IPS display with DCI-P3 99%. Expand the realm of what's possible using a 16 screen with a 16:10 aspect ratio that can make your visions come to life. The non-reflective screen helps maintain your focus, and a bold DCI-P3 99% color gamut for display adds a vivid touch to graphics. Windows 11 Home. Windows 11 brings you closer to what you love. Pursue your passions and maximize your productivity with the new Windows 11. Built with tools to help you multitask, think, create, and connect, all designed with simplicity and intuition in mind.